Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a video projector. So let's see what we have here. So this is a Crenova and the model is XPE660. This is a home theater video entertainment. It's a video projector, an LED projector. So let's see what comes inside the box. We'll check out the accessories in a little bit. Just pull it out. Okay. So this is the projector itself. It's white in color, and it has all the buttons up on top, and then it also has the lens cover. And if you look at the bottom, this is an adjustable, I guess, peg or whatever you want to call it, stand. This is just to adjust it so it can go up and down when you're projecting. And let's check out what's inside of the accessories. It comes with an HDMI cable, the video cable, the split. This goes into the power cable, the remote control, oh, these are pretty cool. These are tissue. These are several tissues to clean the lens. So this is a nice feature. And the manual and just some information from the company. So let's see how the back looks like. And you can see the different connections. This is the IR connection to USB, to HDMI, the power button, and of course where you plug it in. And on the side, it has the AV. This is where you use the cable. So you can plug in the regular composite videos, and it has audio out. So you need a cable for that, and it also has the PC cable. This is the RGB for the computer. So you can do a projector with a computer either through the VGA cable or through HDMI. So I'm going to be setting up a couple of videos so you can see how it looks like and what it projects. And this is everything that comes with it. Okay, and this is the projector, and this is outside at night. This is projecting on my wall, and as you can see, the quality is very good. It's very clear. This is a video of buffalo migrating in Yellowstone, and as you can see, I'll pan out. It's dark out. And the video is very crystal clear, and you could adjust it on the lens. And this is a great projector if you want to, see movies outdoors with the family. It's very clear, like I said, and this is projecting on the wall of my house, and it looks very clean and clear, very beautiful. And it's already nighttime, and this is perfect, as you can see. The projector is really nice. And this is another video from Yellowstone, and you can see the different colors that really stand out. The projector captures it really good from the original video. And you see how it transitioned and it captured all the colors very vibrant. Okay, and for this video I decided to do it, I guess, semi-indoors. And this is inside of my, I guess, sunroom. It's a converted balcony that I enclosed. And as you can see, the photo is kind of blurry, and you would just adjust it. So the image will get clearer. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put on a video so you can see. Okay, and this one also, it's closer to the projected wall, as where the outside one was a lot further, and you got a bigger screen. But you can see all the different colors are very vibrant. It's a lot of detail, so this is a very good video projector. Okay, and for my final video, I'm going to do it indoors. The other one was outdoors and the other one was semi-outdoors, and this is going to be inside the house, and I have it just projecting up against the wall. Let's see, I'm going to start the video so you can see. I did a video of the outdoors so you can see all the different colors of nature and how they stand out with the video projector. They're very clean and clear. When you do have a projector, always make sure it is in a place that's well ventilated and secure, so they won't overheat or fall and break. And you can always adjust the different sizing of the screen. Of course, the further back it is, the larger the screen, the closer, the smaller. But in all instances, you can adjust the sharpness. This video projector does everything very good, actually. Indoors, outdoors, locations that are, I guess, semi-indoor, outdoor. So thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll see the Darth Vader come up, the icon. Go ahead and click on it so you can subscribe. And then click on the bell button as well so you can get notified every time I do post a video. And I'm going to post a link also of the projector, the video projector, on Amazon, where I got it from. So if you want to go ahead and buy one, you can go ahead and look at the description and get one yourself.